Welcome back to Emergency Behavior, Bodycam. If you enjoy real Bodycam footage, subscribe now to Emergency Behavior, Bodycam, for more cases like this. Airport police responded after a man allegedly entered a restricted area inside a terminal bar. Within seconds of contact, the situation spiraled out of control.
That's just not going to let anybody touch me. I don't let anybody touch me.
All right, soldier. I don't want no trouble. Look,
you're about to get
I've been about to get trouble. You want to f with me right now? I didn't do anything wrong. This guy f with me. So we're going to fight. That's what you want. Is that what you want? I don't. I want to go home. I've been here 2 years. Get on the ground. Are you stupid? I don't.
You're going to get...
I'm a normal.
Put your hand behind your back now.
Nope. I told you.
Hand behind your back now.
No.
Bravo 20 on 51.
What's going on here? I didn't do anything wrong. I've been here for 10 years.
Put your hand behind your back.
Nope.
And let go of my leg.
I can't because your elbows on.
This arm behind your back now.
How about you lean forward and I can take my arm off my back?
Behind your back.
How about lean forward so I...
This arm behind your back.
How about I do this?
Put your hand behind your back.
110 through the air.
Have you lost your mind? You're going to get another one. Dude.
Racist white people, that's what you are. You racist white people, I didn't do it wrong. I didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing, you.
Put your hand behind your back. Now.
I didn't do nothing wrong.
You're going to get another one.
I didn't do nothing wrong.
Put your hand behind your
I
back.
didn't do nothing wrong. I didn't do nothing wrong.
All right, let's roll. Wait, let's roll them over. Let's roll them over. Let's roll them over a little bit. I got blood.
Is that worse?
All right, let's go.
I didn't do anything wrong. Every one of you is a victim. You murder! You murder!
We got shackles.
My car. Citizens. And you guys still this up. I grew up watching the system.
I'll go grab that wheelchair.
Yep.
You can't do that.
You got it?
I grew up that way.
Watch out, he's lady heavily on the front of him. Over here.
What, are you guys trying to pretend you are okay with me? Is that what you're doing?
Relax, sir. Just calm down. It's over now, all right?
Is it?
It's definitely over, okay?
Yeah, you guys me up, it's over.
Definitely over. Just calm
But I'm
down.
an American citizen. How does that make you feel? What?
Step back. Step back. All right, we're going to turn you to your side. You understand? If you act up, though, we're going to have to put you back down.
Back on your side.
Bro,
Yeah.
you guys...
I think someone already is. Lieutenant.
No shit.
On the count of 3, I'm going to lift you up on your butt. You understand? Sit on your butt.
Ow!
There you go. Keep your head down like this. Thank you. Okay. On the count of 3, we're going to stand you up and sit you down. If you resist, if you fight, we will put you back down. You understand? Okay, count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Ow!
Sit down. Sit down, man.
I see you guys every day, and I'm on your
Watch the blood, bud.
Let's move.
You mother work with you every day, and you guys me up like
Hey, go. Stop fucking around, buddy.
yeah. Okay, I'm gonna stop.
Look, feet up.
Wait. I'm gonna take some feet up now.
Pick him up. Okay. Pick him up.
I will kill you all.
Pick him up now. Pick him up now.
Let's go.
The floor's out on the ground. Any more?
I'm done. Let me go.
It doesn't matter.
Every one of you is a shut up. Yeah. Look at how I'm bleeding. Look how I'm bleeding. I can't breathe.
Take a breath. Stop fighting and won't resist, okay?
Oh, what did I do? I see how you are.
Relax. Breathe.
You great.
I got it. He's good. He ain't going anywhere. He ain't.
I'll have more.
The more you resist, sir, the more you're going to hurt yourself. Just relax. Stop.
You killed me. You're trying to kill me.
No one's trying to kill you. They're trying to stop you from hurting yourself and others.
Whoa. Come on.
Relax. Hey, relax.
You're
Relax, man. Just relax. Take it easy, all right? Just take it easy. Just take it easy.
fine.
Just relax.
Let me go.
All right, just gotta relax. Okay. Just be calm and we'll be calm. Okay, I appreciate that.
Sorry, I don't know what. My name is Alfonso. I'm fine.
What's your last name, Alfonso?
I'm looking for my wife. That's it.
I'll help you.
The man resisted arrest, fought officers, and continued making threats even after being restrained. He was ultimately arrested and charged with resisting arrest, battery, burglary of an occupied structure, and disorderly intoxication. What do you think about this case? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe to Emergency Behavior, Bodycam for more real bodycam footage.